Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC offline. So there are a few things that you cannot utilize when it is offline, like stock videos you can't use. There's just a bunch, so I will use some stock videos for the example, but let me just show you that it won't appear if your CapCut PC is offline. So I'm just going to select this video here. Actually, let me just select like this video here. So you can use keyframes. So here, for instance, I want to zoom in. I want to add a keyframe here. And then here I'm going to zoom in to the flower. I can do that. I can also use the blend mode here to fade in and fade out. So 100% here, and then here I'm going to place it at 0%. So it fades out like that. You can also use adjustments, so you're just going to select this. You're going to then go to adjustments. You can adjust the temperature of your video, add in some saturation and colors to it, contrast, highlight, shadow. You can as well add keyframes here. You can sharpen it. But that's the most things you can do is you can add in adjustments and you can basically add keyframes, but that is it if you want to use if your CapCut PC is offline, sorry, because most of it you have to download it, like audio. I think you can add in some text, I don't know, stickers. You have to load effects as well, transitions, filters, and adjustments. So sorry, not adjustments. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!